Just a few months ago, I was flat broke, sitting in my room, scrolling through endless YouTube videos and Twitter threads, watching people talk about how AI was changing everything, how it could make you thousands of dollars with barely any effort. Honestly, it felt like a scam, but the curiosity stuck. Could I really make money with AI? This one felt promising, using ChatGPT to write blog posts for clients, especially ones who wanted to rank in search engines or show up in AI-generated responses. I created a few writing samples, used SEMrush to find high-performing blog structures, and repurposed some podcast transcripts just to test. I'm not a web developer, but that's the point. At first, I didn't get it. How could I sell automation if I barely knew what to automate? But then I realized every business has annoying, repetitive tasks: onboarding, lead management, scheduling. So I offered to help a friend automate their customer follow-up emails using Zapier and ChatGPT. Check the link below. You don't need to figure it out the hard way like I did. It saved them hours a week, and they paid me $500. From there, it snowballed. I did 2 more projects for free to build a portfolio. Then I started charging $1,000 per automation setup. I wasn't building AI. I was using AI to solve problems. Using no-code builders like Relume and Framer AI, I was able to build full websites using ChatGPT-generated copy and Midjourney visuals. I created a few mock websites just to practice, one for a fake bakery, one for my cousin's photography portfolio, and posted them in a freelancer group. 2 people reached out. One paid me $300 to recreate her outdated business site. The tools did most of the work. I just knew how to connect the dots. The early results were mixed. Some blogs flopped. But one client came back for 4 articles after I helped them rank on Google for a niche keyword. AI didn't replace me, it made me better, and it can do the same for you. I earned about $150 that week. It wasn't much, but it was working. Even if I had no coding skills, no startup capital, and barely a clue what I was doing. So I gave myself a challenge. ID test 5 of the laziest ways to make money with AI that I'd seen online. No upfront investment, no shortcuts, no team. I'd seen creators paying crazy amounts for thumbnails, like $50 each for a single image. It sounded ridiculous, so I opened Canva AI and Midjourney, started messing around with designs. You know those channels with no faces, just a voiceover, B-roll, and dramatic music? That was the next experiment. I used ChatGPT to script a video about passive income, ElevenLabs for the voice, and stock footage to bring it all together. The video took me for hours to make and got 12,000 views in a week. The ad revenue, just $40, but then something happened. I added affiliate links to a few tools I mentioned and made an extra $90. That's when I realized the power of stacking monetization. Ad revenue, affiliate links, even digital products. It was a slow start, but it opened a new door. And realized immediately, it's not just about looking cool, it's about making people click. I studied viral thumbnails in niches like finance and fitness, built a small portfolio, and used ChatGPT to help me reverse engineer what made them stand out. By day 6, I pitched a creator via Loom Video and landed my first $50 gig. 1 image, 1 client, and I was hooked. Just me, my laptop, and a bunch of tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva. I didn't know if it would work, but I promised myself one thing: I'd give each method a real shot. And I'd share the honest results with you. I started with something simple: AI thumbnail design. Next, I tried AI blog generation. But the real surprise came with Faceless YouTube content. Then came AI website building. Now, this one felt intimidating. But the final one, AI automation agency, was the most powerful of all. By the end of 30 days, I'd earned just over $3,200. But more importantly, I learned this: AI isn't a magic money button, but it's the ultimate leverage tool. It takes what used to be hard and makes it possible for anyone willing to learn. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to start. So, if you're watching this thinking, I could never do that, stop. Pick one of these methods. Start small. Offer something for free. Build one case study. Make one video. You'll be shocked at how fast it grows once you take the first step. And if you want my full AI business starter kit, the tools I used, the scripts, the automation workflows, I put it all into a free Notion template. This is just the beginning.